Consider the following system of equations: y is equal to e raised to power x and y is equal to e raised to power 2x minus 6. So our question is find the point of intersection, verify your answer with GDC, hence or otherwise sketch the graph. So let's solve the first part. So first part is equate the equations. We are given equations y is equal to e raised to power x and y is equal to e raised to power 2x minus 6. So equate the equations because we want to find the point of intersection. So e raised to power 2x minus 6 is equal to e raised to power x. So rearrange e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power x minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize, or we can directly factorize, or we can substitute and then factorize. That can also be done. So that implies we can write like this: e raised to power x whole square minus e raised to power x minus 6 is equal to 0. E raised to power 2x minus e raised to power x minus 6 is equal to 0. Put e raised to power x is equal to t. Therefore, equation number 1 gives t square minus t minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize. Yep. So t square minus 3t plus 2t. I assume that you know the factorization of a quadratic, or you can solve by GDC, or you can use quadratic formula as well. It implies t common, t minus 3 plus 2 common, t minus 3 equal to 0. So because this is a prior knowledge, and so I'm a little faster in this. So t minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore either t okay, let's say t plus 2 is equal to 0 or t minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore t is negative 2 or t is equal to 3. Since t is equal to e raised to power x, therefore e raised to power x is equal to negative 2 or e raised to power x is equal to 3. So the first part is not possible as exponential e raised to power x is equal to negative 2 is not possible for any real value of x, not possible for any real value of x. So therefore only option left is e raised to power x. So take log on both sides to the base e. So we can say x is equal to ln 3, and that is approximately 1.099 or 1. Let's verify our answer with the help of technology, that is graphics display calculator. So first of all, go to y equal to, press this y equal to button and enter the equation. So first equation is e raised to power x. So second, e raised to power x, and the next equation is second e raised to power 2x minus 6, and then press graph. So you can see, and you can easily make out the range and domain of the function so that you can sketch the graph properly. Now we need to mark the point while sketching. This is the important feature: asymptotes. Where are the two asymptotes and where is the intersection point? Okay, so go to second, trace 5 as we usually find the point of intersection. So press enter and enter. So that is x is equal to 1.099 and y is equal to 0. There is the point of intersection which we actually found manually as well. Okay, now there is another way to solve this system of equations without graphing. Okay, so for that, what do we need to do? We need to press second and go to catalog, and then alpha ln, 2 times alpha ln. So all the commands with the letter S will appear on screen, and scroll down to solve. But we need to first come out of the screen. Now we need to press second, catalog, alpha ln, scroll down to solve, yeah, enter. You see on the screen there is solve. Come on now. By equating these two equations in a proper format, write that equation e raised to power 2x. So second e raised to power 2x minus second e raised to power x. That's our equation after equating them. Minus 6 comma x comma. Now we have to choose this position or this value very carefully, looking at what possibilities are there depending on the range and domain of the function. So any approximate value. So let's say if I enter 2 and close the bracket, enter. So both the curves should be defined for this. So answer is 1.09. Let's draw the x-axis on your notebook without any ruler, but we have to mark the important features: x-axis, y-axis, as there are two curves. First curve is y is equal to e raised to power x, and the second curve is y is equal to e raised to power 2x minus 6. So therefore we should be careful about plotting the asymptotes. So the first asymptote is x-axis, and y is equal to 1 is the y-intercept, and we can sketch the curve somewhat like this. Y is equal to e raised to power x. Similarly, for the second curve, we have to mark the asymptote first. So let's see, just show that, no need to scale, just show asymptote is this line. Let's see, this is the asymptote for second curve. And what is the y-intercept when x is 0? So -5. So we can show here with our pen or pencil. Okay, when y is 0, what is the x-intercept? So somewhere like this. So we know the shape of the curve is like this. So this is the point of intersection, and this is the curve. Y is equal to e raised to power 2x minus 6, and we can mark this point of intersection by P, as we know 1.099 with the calculator we have already seen, and the other value is 3. Y is 3. Okay, so that's the sketch.